This very short bonus tutorial is for those who watched the animated magnifying glass and PowerPoint tutorial. Here's another idea you might use with the previous tutorial. And this is where we left off with the previous tutorial with 3 slides and using the transition morph effect. Let's go to presentation view and you see what we accomplished in the last presentation. As we come down to the next slide, we have the magnifying glass move in, and it magnifies as it moves across the screen. What I'm going to show you real quick today is another effect, and a simple one. So we're going to go to slide number 1. First thing we're going to do is go over to Selection Pane, and then we have the Selection Pane, and we have our layers with the magnifying glass in the picture. We're going to add a shape, a rectangle, and that rectangle is currently blue. It can be blue, it can be any color really, but I'm going to make it white. Now on this you could have any kind of text or all kinds of things that you can really do with it, and you could even actually have another picture in place of this rectangle. But anyway, we're going to take this rectangle, we're going to move it down so it's at the bottom of the layers. We're going to copy it. We're going to go to slide number 2. We're going to Control V, paste it again, and we're going to move the rectangle down to the bottom. Now we move to slide number 3. We're going to paste it, and we're going to move the rectangle down to the bottom. Now we go back up to slide number 1. Do presentation view. We have nothing. Like I say, you could have text in here or whatever. But as we move to the second slide, there you go. We have the magnifying effect taking place. So this helps people focus on a specific area. And you can maybe have a title above each of these. So as it moves right underneath the title. There's all kinds of things that you can do with this effect. I hope you enjoyed this very short tutorial and that it gave you some ideas on what you can do in your presentation. And we'll see you at the next tutorial.